Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening both the source and the target Google Sheets. Sign in with an account that has editor access to the source. Once done, identify the exact range you want to link. Use A1 notation or name the range for clarity. Make sure the target sheet has an empty destination range and note its cell where data will begin. If you plan live syncing, choose import range. For single copy transfers, prepare to paste values or use a script instead. Now you create the actual link in the target sheet. You will type equals import range, spreadsheet key, sheet name, range into the target cell and press enter. The spreadsheet key is the long ID from the source URL. When Google shows the #ref error, click Allow access to authorize the connection. This is essential. Make sure to refine the imported data with query, filter, or array formula if you need sorting or column selection. This keeps to finish. Confirm the target sheet updates when you change the source. Small delays are normal. If data doesn't appear, first check sharing and regrant import range permission by opening both sheets while signed into the same account. Make sure your spreadsheet key and range are correct, and avoid merged cells inside the import range. For persistent issues, rebuild the formula in a blank sheet, and remember that AppScript can replace import range for scheduled or more complex syncs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.